She's a dripper. It's a Symmons. See what I could do here. Shut the water off. Just open up this sink down here on the first floor. I could work on it upstairs. Water will drain down here. We got it off. I don't know if I can even get this thing off. We got the water off to it, so it's draining downstairs on the first floor, remember? Get this off. I don't think this has ever been off in a while. This little square. One thing about these things, when you're taking them out, you have to work the handle at the same time. You gotta work the handle at the same time you use the wrench. You might have an issue. Oh, look at that! Come off easy. Wow. It really was kind of. Yeah, look at the back washer. She's pretty gnarly. Let's see what that seat looks like. Yeah, the seat looks fine. It's just the washer's bad. I think the seats look fine. The seats look fine. Just put a new spindle in it, I think. Just needs a new spindle. That washer's still good there. See that washer there? It's still good. Hear it clicking? That's just needs a new spindle. I got one right here. I'm gonna give him a new spindle. It's coming with a new gasket, but them other gaskets usually fine. Make sure it clicks. I should do it. Like I said, I was just going in, you wanna work the see how it winds up. If you don't work it could be an issue. You gotta work the handle. That's a little tech tip. That's a little tech tip, Mama. The other one was loose. A little scary. Another thing you have to do is you just pack a nut. You gotta tighten this up when you put in a new cartridge, because it can leak out of there. First, put these in. You gotta set them because it's a gasket, right? It's gotta give it a good set. That should do it. That should take care of our issue. I'm hoping. I'll turn the water on and check it. I'm thinking it's gonna be fine. Oh, the seats looks fine. It's possible that there's a sand hole in there too in the casting. I've seen that before. So no matter what you do, you can't fix it. Turn the water on now. turn it on slowly. Make sure I get hot water out of it. Yeah, it's nice and hot. When it get cold, let me shut it off. Takes a little bit for it to shut off, you know, when you first turn it on. It's gonna do it, Mama. It's gonna do it.